Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on sleep mode on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, you should see notifications near the bottom, so you want to click on that. And then you should see sleep mode. So all you need to do is tap on there, and it'll just let you know your notifications will be muted during the times you choose. People will see that you're in sleep mode. So obviously all you need to do is toggle that on and select a start time, so whatever you like. And you can select an end time as well. Then you can also select the days that you want as well. And once you're happy with that, just select save. And that'll turn on sleep mode for you. Thanks for watching.